Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is already another hot day in Delaware. Now, this package came from Proven Winners Color Choice. I decided, even though I have alliums in my garden, I wanted to move some alliums over to the other side of the garden, and as my vision is, there's sprinter boxwoods in that area, so I thought I would order some alliums to go behind the sprinter boxwoods. So as I open my package, I can see that they have it taped up very well. And I ordered, I believe it's 4 alliums. And let's see what they look like. They're in the packaging. Pan down a little bit. This one to come out. This will come out. Now remind you, this is cardboard. So guess what I'm going to do with the cardboard? I'm going to break it down and I'm going to use it in my composter. Okay, so let's see. Now that I have the packaging off, it came in 2 tubular boxes and they were placed inside of a shipping box. And inside the packaging came one of their newest catalogs. It's on landscaping. It's called Gardening Simplified. And they give you all kind of great ideas on how you can improve some areas in your garden, which I love. So I'm going to take a look at that and hopefully get some new incentives on what else I can place in my garden. So I'm going to give each one of these alliums a area of shade today because of their shipping, and then place them in the yard. And because the packaging came in cardboard, this is a win-win for me. It's shipped in cardboard, therefore I can break this down into little sections and use this in my compost bin. Oh boy, here's one. This is the Allium Millenium. I ordered 4. I would like for them to go behind the sprinter boxwoods that I have already in the garden. That's one. And usually when they send a package as this, you pop out all of the tabs. Push out all your tabs before you try to pull the plant out. So I'm going to set this down and I'm just going to, let's see if I can do it on camera. Push out the tab and push out the tab. The tabs keep the plants in place during shipment. Now that I have the tabs pushed out, now I can just release the plant from the box without any problems. Here's the other allium. And the same thing with the next box. So I ordered 4. It's extremely hot, but I'm going to probably tomorrow. Now, I examined the package. The package looked good. That's the first thing I always do. Then I take my package and open it, examine it. The plants look good. And the first thing that I'm going to do is give them a drink of water. Well, take the plastic off of these and give them a drink of water. So here we go again. You punch out each area of the box. That's because they have them locked in place during shipment. Now that the package is released, I can pull out the other allium. So I have 4 alliums. They look good. I ordered 4, and I believe that this year they have blooms on them already. So I might get a little premiere of what they will look like this year. So I just wanted to share with you my unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to take the plastic off. These are sun-loving. The alliums are perennial in zones 4 through 8. The height will be 15 to 20 inches, and the width is 10 to 15 inches apart. I believe the blooms are going to be purple. Yes, the blooms are purple. I think in a couple of days we're going to have some cool weather, and I'm just going to give them a drink of water from the bottom, and then in a few days place them in the ground. Okay, so now I have the plastic wrap off in each of the alliums. They're beautiful, large blooming purple balls. This is going to be one of them. So they all do look like, let's see, this is one. Okay, so 3 out of 4 have possible blooms for the allium this year. Okay, now that I have them in the water, about a half a gallon of water, the plants were completely dry, so I will let them sit in the water for maybe 30 minutes, come back, check on them. In most cases, if they haven't already drank all of the water from the bottom, then I will pour it off. But it's a double tray. It has holes in it, so even if there is water in the tray, it doesn't necessarily mean that the plants are sitting in water. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. As always, happy gardening.